Welcome back to Tech Help guys. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to retrieve an email 1 hour after sending it. First, what we want to head over to Gmail, click on See All Settings right here. Then here you'll see the undo send option. So there is a send cancellation period for Gmail, Yahoo Mail, basically for any email. And unfortunately, currently there isn't a way for us to like send or retrieve an email 1 hour after it has been sent. However, what we can do is we can prolong the cancellation period. So for example, here it's set on 5 seconds only. We can set this to 30 seconds. That way, if ever we have decided to like retrieve the email back, we can do so. For example, right here, I'll send an email to myself. Here, test email here. Then here, I'll just type in testing. If I send this, I'll have 30 seconds to undo the message. And if I click undo, I just have to click confirm this card changes and click OK again. And now the message or the email has been unsent. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and of course the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.